Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to upgrade your cooking game, then you have to check out this awesome grinder set from Culinary Fun. This set that I have is the sage green color, but it comes in a variety of beautiful colors as well to match any sort of kitchen decor. And let me just tell you how easy it is to use. Now, it is gravity driven, so the simplest way to use these for me when I'm cooking is to power them on so that they're ready to go, and then all I have to do is lift it and tilt it to activate the grinder. And then out comes beautifully fresh ground salt and pepper. It is amazing. I can also adjust the coarseness, which is really easy to do because the little dots by the knob allow you to see whether you're making it a little bit finer or a little bit more coarse. So I love the ability to be able to do that with just a little turn of a knob. These are rechargeable either by charging them individually with the USB-C power cord, or they have a beautiful base as well that allows them to recharge when they're on the base if it's plugged in. I not only love the functionality of these grinders, but I love how aesthetically pleasing they are. I leave them out on my countertops all the time, and they really are a beautiful set. If you're looking to up your seasoning game, I would definitely check out this beautiful set of grinders from Culinary Fun. They are functional, they're easy to use, and they're absolutely beautiful too. But that's just my point of view.